Alright, it is Sunday, and I have started putting my rafter hangers up. And yesterday I went and ate for my birthday. And I've been thinking, ever since then I've been thinking. I was sitting there in the restaurant with my wife and a bunch of friends. And we were all sitting around the table in this restaurant, swapping stories. And every one of us at the table has been places and done things and got great stories. Pat had just got back from taking his family up in Arkansas and renting a cabin and riding trails up there with his four-wheelers and side-by-sides. And my other friend Rob was making plans to go to Montana on his motorcycle, and my wife and I were making plans to go up to Beaver's Bend or Hot Springs. And I've been thinking more about gamers. And, you know, I don't want to... My goal is just to share my opinion. And, you know, I don't want to hurt anybody's feelings. Really don't. But I think about this a lot. I guess because the older I get... Well, somebody left a comment. Here's what's got me to really thinking about it. Somebody left a comment telling me that they were my age. And they've been watching my channel for years. And that they were a gamer. And then he told me where he lived. And I've been thinking about where he lives. I know his area very well and all the towns surrounding it. He lives in Mannheim, Germany. Ich liebe Deutschland und deutsche Volk. You're surrounded by thousands of years of history. There's castles all over Germany, museums, and I don't know if they have Volksmarches anymore, but I used to participate in them when I was in Germany. And I know Mannheim like the back of my hand. Darmstadt, Saarbrücken, Kaiserslautern, Karlsruhe, Landstuhl. There's a castle in Landstuhl. And I could not make myself be in a country rich in history and interesting people like Germany and sit in a house in front of an idiot box and play silly games with people I'll never meet. Just, it's mind-blowing. And what I think is, when you're at the end of your life and you're looking back over the life you've lived, you know, life is a gift, and we're only given so many years. And do you want to look back over your life and remember nothing but gaming? Or do you want to have interesting memories of people you've met and places you've been and things you've done or created? Or for the life of me, I just can't understand a person who is satisfied with sitting in front of a screen playing games, and that is their life. You know, and that's the people I'm talking about. I'm not talking about people who play, you know, video games occasionally. I'm talking about people who devote their lives and equipment, and that's their life. As you know, the bottom line is, if that's what you want to give your life to, if you want to give your time, the precious time, limited time that you have on this planet, to an idiot box, more power to you. I don't understand it. I don't understand it. And I never will. And I don't mean to be insulting. And more than anything, what I feel for you is sorrow. I feel sorrow for people that are satisfied with that. Even if I was in a wheelchair, I would be out doing stuff. Because I don't want to be at the end of my life and look back over it and wish I had gone and done something, or seen some people, or built some things, or created something. I could not bear to look back over the life of doing nothing. And to me, playing video games is nothing. It's a complete waste of the life you've been given and the time you have. There's lives that have been cut short who deserved far, far more time on this earth, who did great things and would have continued to do great things, but, maybe got cancer or were killed in a car wreck. And then you have people who still have the gift of life and completely waste it, sitting inside their home in the dark in front of a screen, and that's their life. And that's why I call you the mushroom people. Mushrooms never see the light of day. And that's all I got to say. I'm not going to mention it again. I feel the way I do. And if you're a gamer and you are happy with the life, you're happy with the way your life is going and satisfied with sitting in front of a screen, so be it. Continue on if that's what makes you happy. Alrighty, I'm going to get back to work here. I'm going to finish this today, and I might even get a couple of rafters up. All right, there's one side, and I'll tell you, the main reason I'm putting these up there is so I can hang these rafters by myself. Otherwise, I wouldn't even use rafter hangers. I'd just screw them in from each side, toenail them, and but the only way I can do this by myself is to get one end up there and then lift another end and slide it in up here and then screw them in that way. So they weren't that expensive. All right, I got them all up, both sides. And it's just now about noon, so I'm gonna get my miter saw out, my miter saw stand, and get things set up to start cutting rafters. All right, I got a pretty good start on hanging them rafters up. It's going quicker than I thought it was. It's going quicker than I thought it would. So what do I got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. So 18 more. Who knows? Can I do it all today? I do not know. Once I get them all up, my next thing is to get my 1x4s going this way, 2 foot apart from that edge to that edge, and then my 10. I'm real close to being able to move back in over here. Move over, sweetie. Oh, let me move. I'll move it. Just a second. There you go. Okay. I drink my coffee and get back after it. All right, halfway there. I believe I can finish this today. 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Okay. There's my 6th one. I thought, oh no, am I short a board? No. Okay, 6 more. Alrighty. Take a break and get back after it. And I may get my 10 and my 1x4s tomorrow. I'm not sure. My wife, she wants to get an entire trailer load of mulch because it's like $2 a bag. And she wants 40 bags. So my trailer is going to be absolutely full. So I may have to go get my tin and my lumber Tuesday. And who knows, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, I may be done with this and moving in. 2 more. 2 more. I cannot believe I did this all in one day. And I know why I was able to, because I'm on steroids. This is my 3rd day on them, I think. Yeah. And steroids, they make all your joints feel better. I mean, you know, it's not good to do it, and I don't do them often. I don't mean, you know, I mean prescribed steroids. A steroid pack is what I'm taking. And yeah, that's the only reason I was able to get this done in a day, which, you know, even in my youth, this would have been a lot of work for one day. So I'm really happy. I'll get these 2 more knocked out and tidy up my tools, and it'll be about 4:30 by then. So that was a heck of a day. I've worked every minute since about 8 o'clock this morning. Okay, next is my 1x4, I don't know what you'd call them, strips, runners, and then the tin goes over that and gets bolted to the 1x4s. Alrighty, I'm excited. This is I can see myself finishing this and moving my forge under here and my toolbox back out here and getting, you know, getting set back up to make some knives.